Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of an Italian brand renowned in the world of fashion and luxury. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as Armani, 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 Armani. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as Armani, 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 Armani. Armani is famous for its sleek, sophisticated designs, offering everything from haute couture to ready-to-wear. The brand's minimalist yet luxurious style has made it a global icon in fashion. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.